Hello, I'm in a 2013 Mitsubishi Outlander, and today I'm going to show you how to add coolant. So first open the hood and then turn the vehicle off and make sure it's cooled down. Since this system works under pressure and this liquid can get to a boil, you don't want this poisonous liquid any risk of it shooting out on you and boiling poison on you. With that said, this leads to the top of your radiator here where the coolant would be, and then this would be your main storage tank that you'll ever need to add to. And on the side you can see max line and a minimum line. You do want some air gap, so you don't want it filled all the way to the top. But that said, when you're ready, make sure you've got the proper type of coolant for your make and model. Typically you want to match it to the same color what's in your system. But once you have the right fluid and your vehicle's cooled down, you'll just pop this lid off, take your new coolant with a funnel or straight from the jug and fill as needed to get to your max line, and then you'll pop this closed again nice and tight. And you don't typically ever have to, but if your system got really low, you might want to check under here as well, which you can open this by pushing down and twisting about twice, and this will pop right off and you'll see coolant right under here. Once you've done all that and screwed everything back on nice and tight, I would check around the whole system for any leaks, which sometimes you can get cracks or looseness through the lines, through the reservoirs, through the radiator. But a way to check that is to turn the vehicle on, and as it's running and the coolant's circulating, you might see some coolant start to puddle around the engine bay or under the radiator. And a way to tell that apart from water condensation is it should have a slight coloration to it. It should have a slight sweetness smell to it. And you don't really want it on your skin, but say you have a glove on and you feel it, it'll feel slightly more slick than what water would feel like. But I hope this was helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.